Howdy, folks. Welcome to step 4 on our journey through middle C position. Oh, my voice cracked. Enjoy that too. Little bit of review before we get started with new material. Reminder where middle C position is. Your left-hand thumb will be on middle C, second finger on B, third finger on A, fourth finger on G, fifth finger on F, and in your right hand, your thumb will be on middle C, your second finger will be on D, your third finger will be on E, your fourth finger on F, and your fifth finger on G. And last session, we looked at some rhythmic values. On the left, we have the quarter note. That is a filled-in circle with a stem, and it gets one count. That is one count of music, one count of sound, one count of stuff. And on the right, we have the quarter rest. That is one count of silence, one count of nothing, one count of rest. And in a previous lesson, we saw a note head that I said, don't worry about that. You don't have to worry about that right now. Well, the time has come to worry about it. We are going to talk about half notes and half rests today. A reminder that not only does written music tell you what notes to play, what letter names to play, but it tells you how long you've got to play them. So from left to right here, we have different rhythmic values, the shortest on the left, the longest on the right. And the one we are going to worry about today is this one, the half note. The half note is an empty circle with a stem, and it gets two counts. You will play and hold half notes for two counts. So just to do a little bit of math here, we've got two quarter notes and one half note. Two quarter notes, when added together, equals one half note. Quarter notes are one beat, half notes are two beats. 1 plus 1 equals 2. When you play half notes, you are not going to play them two times because it is two counts. You are going to play them and hold them for two counts. So I'm going to play a bunch of C's in a row. I'm going to play two quarter notes and one half note in alternation. I'm going to play two quarter notes and one half note. Quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, quarter, half note, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Quarter notes get one beat, half notes get two beats. And again, we saw in a previous lesson and on a previous slide that for each note, there is a corresponding symbol called a rest. That applies to half notes as well. On the left here, we have a half note. That is two counts of music, two counts of stuff, two counts of noise. And on the right, we have the half rest. It's very distinct looking. It's just a big brick. And it is two counts worth of silence, two counts worth of nothing, two counts worth of rest. You're going to see a couple of excerpts here. Just to talk you through these excerpts very quickly, on the top left of these slides, you're going to see middle C position. Those are the notes on the staff. You have your finger numbers and you have the note names in the note head. Below that, you have middle C position as you would see it on the keyboard from F all the way through G. And on the entire right-hand side of these slides, you have the musical excerpts. It includes a variety of quarter notes and half notes, quarter notes and half notes, and a few half rests. You'll see at least one other symbol in here that you probably don't recognize. Don't worry about that right now. We'll get to that in a future lesson. In order to practice this, you can do a couple of things. You can just read along with the music where the note heads have the letter names and the finger numbers and learn it that way. You can also click on the title. It will take you to a YouTube tutorial that will have the same kind of falling notes as a previous lesson. The blue notes will be the left-hand notes. The green notes will be the right-hand notes. When the letter name hits the keyboard, you'll play that key. Pretty standard YouTube piano tutorial stuff. So you've got options. You can just read the music and practice it like that. You can watch the YouTube tutorial and practice it like that. You've got Claire de Lune here, and you've got Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay? Again, the bottom lines of each of these excerpts are going to be the left hand, and the top lines are going to be the right hand. And you are going to be reading left to right. So just to play through Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for you one time, you start in the left hand, you go up to the right hand. So you see I started in the left hand, and I went up to the right hand. And etc. through the remainder of Twinkle Twinkle. Looking forward to hearing your work. I'll see you on the next step.